Welcome to our video.
If you find it helpful or enjoyable, please like, share, and comment.
Your interaction means a lot to us. Enjoy watching. Welcome to our Python tutorial on mastering lists.
If you're starting or looking to enhance your Python skills, this guide is perfect for you.
We'll explore sorting, reversing, joining, and more with lists.
Get ready to dive into Python's essential list manipulations and elevate your coding prowess.
We're kicking off with a simple list of numbers. Notice the order, it's about to change. Need to sort your list? Python's sorted function to the rescue. Here's our list in ascending order. Reversing a list is just as easy. By using slicing, we can reverse the order of the list elements. To find out how many items are in our list, we use the len function. Here, it shows us the list length. Copying a list is essential to preserve the original. We use the copy method for this. Joining lists is as simple as adding them together. Now we have a longer list combining both.
Removing an item?
Use the remove method. We just removed the number 8 from our list. Slicing allows us to get a sublist. Here, we take a slice from the second to the fourth item.
Want to change an item? Just assign a new value at the desired index.
Here, we changed the third item.